Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos, so if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So I had a totally different intro planned for this video. However, things have changed within a week in Europe. As you might know, there is a war going on in Ukraine, and being from Romania, that I guess affects me in some sort of way. I won't be talking too much about this situation because I don't feel it is my place to do so. I do, however, want to say that I will add some links in the description box where you can donate and help refugees from Ukraine. We personally have donated some packages for refugees and some money. I don't know how much that helps them. I can't even imagine what they're going through, and I'm just hoping that this won't spread across Europe and across Romania. Let's hope for resolution to this situation. But as I said, I don't want to talk too much about this in this video. I filmed a studio vlog and I want to continue creating art and continue what I'm doing, even though I am very aware of what's happening. Here in Romania, we are fine, we are safe for now. Thank you for your messages on Instagram and on Patreon. People have reached out to me asking how I'm doing. I'm doing well. I don't think it's about Romanians at this point. So yeah, I'm really hoping for some sort of peaceful resolve. But I want to keep creating videos, and this studio vlog hopefully will get your mind off some of the things that are happening. And in this studio vlog, I want to share with you guys pretty much the usual things I share in studio vlogs, which is what Patreons receive each month. You will see me package up Patreon rewards and paint a mini illustration. I had so many plans for this month coming up. I don't know if they will be happening. I have a shop update that is waiting to be launched. I will hold it until things are more stable. And I also wanted to film a studio tour, and I'm hoping that will happen next week because I did change up my studio a bit, all the setup, and I got a new PC, and I want to show you guys how everything is set up and talk about the new PC and how I improved my space. So do expect something like that in the future. Yeah, I'm not sure what will happen in the next week, so I won't promise anything. But for this particular video, I wanted to show you guys what Patreons will receive this month. So Patreon is a platform where you can support your favorite artists by donating however much amount of money you want per month, and you get all sorts of cool benefits. So in my particular case, you get custom pet portraits from a certain tier up. You also get monthly art mail, desktop wallpapers which change monthly, behind the scenes pictures each week. Yeah, lots of cool benefits, sometimes exclusive videos, although that's not very often that I post exclusive videos over there. But if you are curious and want to check out my Patreon page and want a custom pet portrait or something like that, I will leave a link in the description box. But for this month, I worked on some new products which will be going up in my shop update as well, whenever that is. And Patrons will be receiving this watercolor palette keychain, which is an acrylic keychain, a die cut sticker which has this Sphinx cat on it. It's a custom pet portrait I made for someone a while back, and I thought it would be cute as a sticker. I actually made this in my studio, and they are laminated and waterproof. And since Mother's Day is coming up, I wanted to make a postcard for Mother's Day with Cat and her baby. I think it's really cute, and it's printed on holographic paper. So this will be going to $15 patrons and up, and $30 patrons also receive a mini original, which you will be seeing me paint one of them in this video. For the mini originals this month, I decided to go with an eye makeup theme, inspired heavily by Euphoria, which is a show I've been watching quite a lot lately. And they are illustrations which will be embellished with glitter and rhinestones and holographic stars and stuff like that. So you will see later in the video how I created one of them. But I will post a picture of them all finished somewhere so you can see the finished result. So I guess this is what I wanted to share in the studio vlog. I hope you will enjoy the rest of the video. And about the war that's going on, my heart is heavy and I'm checking the news every day. It's a situation which none of us have had to deal with, and after a pandemic I think we're all super exhausted by all the news, and the bad news especially. I think the best we can do is be supportive of people in need. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So I wish you all the best and keep watching the rest of the studio vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!